Hello guys, I'm going to introduce you today the program called Wondershare FilmoraGo. It's very similar to FilmoraXen, but in this case it's for your phone. And guys, I've been using both programs and I can assure you they're very good. They're very easy to learn and use. So I'm going to teach you guys how to use this program. You can trim your video by just holding your finger in the edge of the video and just drag it at the location you want it to trim. You can also add music or sound effects either from the extended library of FilmoraGo or from your own. You can also add text in your video by simply clicking on text. And you can put a simple text, or you can also use a variety of FilmoraGo templates. Also, check out the new FilmoraGo Halloween stickers pack if you want to take cool pictures with your friends. You can try the program for free, check the video description for the link, and if you try the program, please leave a review on the App Store and enjoy the rest of the video.